I saddled up my shoe, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoe, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keeps rolling on.
Property we got next to a river. We've already heard turkeys firing off. We saw one fly off already. We've got some hens right here in these trees, just clucking, waiting for us to walk a little bit too close and they're gonna fly off, but nothing we can do about that, so I'll walk around and see what we can do.
So early in the morning, we heard this one tom gobbling pretty deep in the woods, and we decided to chase after him. We got fairly close to him, and we sat down and called for a second. After a while of calling to this one turkey, he was not gobbling at all, so we decided to back out of the woods. We came around the corner and saw some turkeys way far off, so we decided to sit down and call.
Coming this way. You see him? There's three. I think they're both hens. Kind of look both like hens to me. I didn't see where the other turkeys went. That one on the right just looks a whole lot bigger to me. What do you mean right here? Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Alright, let's not yell though, okay? We might be able to go down to the other side of the river and shoot another.
I accidentally hit the pause button as soon as you shot.
Sorry, man.
Shot the turkey in the path right here. He flopped down.
Yeah, so there were 4 mature gobblers in this group. They were, at first, they were way off, maybe 300 yards. We sat down, we're calling. We heard them gobble every now and then. Kept firing off, and we're calling and calling. They got closer and closer. They came right up to us, all 4 gobblers, mature, in the edge of this wheat field, and got in this open path right here. And we were trying to get the film lined up with my shot, and then they kept moving over to the right. Things lined up. I take a shot, smoked him. He flapped for a second, but he wasn't going anywhere. So got one. We're gonna see if we can help Austin shoot a bird now. So stay tuned. This is the gobbler I ended up shooting. It's probably got, I don't know, roughly a 10-inch beard. I'll have to measure it to see for sure, but I'm sure he's close to a 10-inch. Definitely a mature gobbler. He got a nice fan on him. It's hard to fully pull it out right here by myself, but with one hand. Here's the spurs. Nothing crazy, but they're nice spurs. Probably close to an inch. Maybe just a little bit under. They're probably close to an inch. But yeah, there were 4 turkeys in that group, which we didn't realize at first. The whole group was at the far end of that wheat field, and we were thinking maybe there were 2 gobblers in the group, but we couldn't tell for sure. We kept calling, and they were gobbling way off, calling, and they were getting closer and closer, and we're just firing off, gobbling. And they got right to the edge of the field, right in front of us. And we don't actually own that field, so obviously I'm not gonna shoot in that field. But all 4 of the turkeys were just standing there staring at us. We're just waiting to see what they were gonna do. We were just kind of having a stare off for a second. And then all of a sudden they all start to walk off slowly off to the right, and they get in the path. And honestly, they were all mature gobblers, so I couldn't tell if there was one that was the biggest or anything like that. But there was one turkey that just gave me a little bit of a gap, and I was talking to Austin. We were trying to make sure he had the turkey on camera and everything, and we were just trying to make sure it was all lined up. So I was trying to talk to him, and this one gobbler just gave me a little bit of a gap. So I took the shot, and we got it done. We tried walking around for a little bit later, see if we could get Austin one too, but we didn't end up landing on any other birds, so very successful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.
Left my baby crying, said she